Passage number 13. Start. The net result of all these factors witnessed by Pakistan is the situation which is being faced today. Full stop. The judicial system of Pakistan has been unable to set up a system of social justice based upon equality of rights and respect for humanity. Full stop. In the absence of an equitable social system of justice, which is the backbone of any developed and civilized society. Full stop. Pakistan suffers from lack of interest of international community in building cooperation, trust, trade and investment relations. Full stop. The ineffective legislature and executive indicate the deteriorated condition of government machinery, infrastructure and institutions, which not only proves ineligible to provide amenities of life to the people but also reflects a dark image of the nation on international level. Full stop. This efficiency of legislature and executive directly related to the ailing situation of Pakistan. Full stop. Pakistani media does not seem to be in line with the interests of nation because of absence of effective regulatory media laws. Full stop. It has not been able to justify its role of a watchdog and an educator in the society. Full stop. Therefore, the individual inabilities of the four pillars of state to cope up with the demands of modern challenges to the national integrity, peace and development have combined together to dark Pakistan to the point where the situation demands to struggle hard not only for coming out of crisis but also maintain its independent existence. Full stop. Paragraph. In principle, the importance of the role performed by these institutions surely makes them the four pillars of state, and at the same time, it also increases their responsibilities many folds. Full stop. The whole dependence of social development, national integrity and peaceful society on the efficient performance of these institutions in the light of national interests and objectives demand a high level of commitment, high degree of devotion and a high sense of responsibility towards fully participating in solving national issues and moving the nation on the road to development. Full stop. These institutions are interdependent in the sense that the outcomes of the actions and policies of a single institution directly or indirectly affect the efficiency. One fails to discharge its duty is not only fails in its own task but also creates hindrance for the other institutions. Full stop. The worst case scenario arrives when all four institutions are failed to deliver what is expected from them and share their part in aggravating the situation on national level. Full stop. The current ailing situation of Pakistan, which is arrived by the manufacturing of these institutions, can only be reversed by these four pillars of state. Full stop. It is the need of the hour that each of them should gravity of the situation to generate a suitable counter response and come up to the exceptions of the nation for making this country a happy, prosperous and developed place in the light of the spirit of ideology of Pakistan. Full stop.